No headlights. It's dark.
I need help. Vamos, vamos.
This just in, F1 driver Sergio Perez spotted heading southbound out of Manhattan.
Where on earth is he going?
How do I get to the Hard Rock Stadium?
You're trying to get to the Miami GP, huh? Well, you're going the wrong direction. You want to turn around here and go back that way. All right?
Gracias.
Good luck, man.